Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to delete the blocked contacts on WhatsApp. So if you're also wondering how, you may just head over and follow up these steps for that, and you should be able to normally do so. So without any delay, let's just get started. Start by opening up the WhatsApp application. For that, tap on it. And once you open up WhatsApp, first of all, let's block a contact. So in order to block a contact, you can select up a chat or the person. After that, look out for the three dot in the top and tap on it. And from the given menu that pops up, you can select the option for block and tap on it. After that, you can just go ahead and confirm it. Confirm this block right here. And the contact will be blocked. You can wait for some few seconds, and there we go. The contact has been blocked now. Now, in order to delete the blocked contact, you can go to your settings of your WhatsApp. Look out for the three dot in the top right corner and tap on it. After that, you can select the option of settings here and tap on it and access your settings of your WhatsApp. From here, you can scroll down and look out for the blocked option, usually under chats or privacy. You can find it up and tap on it. And under privacy, you can look out for the option of block, scroll down and select the option for blocked. This one right here, contacts, tap on it. And there we go. We have this option for blocked contacts, tap on it. And there is the blocked contact. Now, in order to remove that, you just need to go ahead and hold it up and you will be finding option to delete it. You can just go over and delete that option. You can just go over and find the contact you want to delete and tap on their name and just go and delete, or you can directly remove the number from your device. That is also possible, and deleting them from the list will not unblock them from WhatsApp. You will need to manually unblock them if you wish, and the contact will be removed from your WhatsApp contacts, but will be remained blocked for the rest until you unblock them. And that's it. So therefore, everybody, if you'd like to block someone on WhatsApp, delete the block contacts on WhatsApp, you may follow up this method. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.